$13 million gets you this on Central Park's legendary Millionaire's Row. Let me show you why the ultra-wealthy are obsessed with this address. Step into the grand foyer where 18-foot ceilings and Italian marble floors set the tone for what's ahead. That custom chandelier, $60,000 alone. The living room is pure theater. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame unobstructed Central Park views, with a limestone fireplace anchoring this 800-square-foot entertainment space. This chef's kitchen features Calicotta marble countertops, custom European cabinetry, and top-tier Miele appliances. The oversized island seats 8 comfortably. The primary suite is a 1,200-square-foot sanctuary with private park views, a sitting area, and dual walk-in closets that rival boutique stores. 5 spa-inspired bathrooms throughout, but this master bath steals the show with heated marble floors, a soaking tub, and that view. The private terrace wraps 600 square feet around the corner unit, offering sunrise to sunset views over Central Park's canopy. A sophisticated home office with built-in walnut shelving and triple exposures. Work has never looked as good. The formal dining room seats 12 under a sculptural ceiling installation, perfect for hosting Manhattan's elite. 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, and 4,500 square feet of pure luxury. Would you take the penthouse or the park views? Drop your answer below.